Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video we're going to be doing another advanced topics in JavaScript. So how this is going to work is I'll go into this video and we have ES5 and ES6 is what we'll be covering. So I'll be looking at this course on Udemy and I'll be coding it out and explaining it as we go along. So let's get right into it. So we have ECMAScript 6 and JavaScript. So a brief intro is ECMA International is like this board that standardizes and agrees upon like changes to the JavaScript language. So ECMAScript is equal to JavaScript. So ECMAScript and JavaScript are interchangeable terms. So now in ES6 we have this new const a equal to, these are called arrow functions. Then we have the parameters like this, xz, and we have arrows x plus z. So that's a function called a, and we have a const variable that we're given the parameters of x and z, and it returns x plus z all in one line. Now let's have a look. Alright, so we can do, let's do some functions. We can do const, or first I'll do the heading let and const. So const player is equal to Bobby. So we're making a constant variable which we cannot reassign a value to, whereas with the let we can. So let experience equal to 100. So we can reassign the player or the let variable's value, experience, but we can't reassign the const variable's value. You'll see this in a minute. So let wizard level equal to false. Now we'll do if experience is greater than 90, which it is in this case. We'll run this code. So let wizard level equal to true. Alright, so then we can do const a function, and we can let this equal to a function keyword, and we can have this code block, just console.log, and we can do a. So now if we run this in the code, what we can do is, for each experience we can do console.log outside wizard level. Now we can console.log inside wizard level, so we can see how this works with the scope of the function. And going on our last video where we were talking about scope and variable. Alright, so let's try that now. Let's enter this code on the console and press F12, zoom in a bit, Control V, and there we go, we get const player, and you get inside true. So inside the if we have let wizard equal to true, const.log inside wizard true, whereas const.log outside we have let wizard equal to false, so outside it's false, so in the global variable. So now we can move on. So something we can do is, just to show you, we can reassign the experience value equal to 120, but we can't reassign the player value because it's a constant. So you'll see now we can reassign that to Sally. We'll see what happens. So we reassign the experience. It works, we get 120. Now if we click in experience, we get 120. And we can do player Sally. But you see we get uncaught type error, assignment to constant variable. You can't reassign to a constant variable. Alright, so we'll do the others in the next video. We'll be working with objects, destructuring, and making functions with the new syntax. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Comment below what languages you'd like to learn and any projects you're building, and I will see you in the next one.